Hello, everybody. Bengala Tunji here. Building business series. We want to be looking at different forms of taxes. It is very important for business owners to at least understand various forms of taxes. At least to understand various forms of taxes that they could be levied. And that is why we are coming up with this. Don't forget, this building business series is all about ensuring that we are knowledgeable in running our businesses. So if you are just joining us, don't forget to click the subscription button, like us, subscribe to us, Children's Associates. We are valued to life. We are valued to your businesses.